Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream oasis. This stunning two-story home boasts four spacious bedrooms and three bathrooms. Two bedrooms are ensuite. This property is perfect for a family. Nestled on a generous 12,000 square feet lot, it offers a serene escape with beautifully landscaped grounds featuring a variety of mature fruit trees. As you enter, you will be greeted by an ensuite one-bedroom downstairs with an entertainment room. The upper level features a luxurious master suite with an ensuite bathroom providing a peaceful retreat, two additional bedrooms, and a bathroom that offers flexibility for family or guests. The well-appointed kitchen is equipped with ample counter space and leads directly to the laundry area and storeroom. Step outside to discover your private backyard paradise where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor from the various fruit trees. Located in the desirable West Mead community, this home is conveniently situated near local schools, parks, and shopping. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a slice of paradise in Belgrade Heights. Schedule your private tour now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 79.5 million or US $516.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.